tea friends. Today we're going to start off day number 1 Advent with the Bird and Blend calendar. Looking at number 1, we have Christmas cranberry pie, which has apple pieces, cinnamon, rose hip, hibiscus, cranberry, cherry, lime leaves, stevia, orange peel, and natural flavoring. And I do like that this Advent calendar comes with 2 tea bags. So our second one, we have pumpkin spice from Adagio teas. This one has black tea with cinnamon, ginger, cloves, natural pumpkin spice, cardamom, and marigold flavors. This one was a little tough to get out, but I really do like the design on the front and back of the package. It's really cute and very festive. Here's another look at the ingredients, and then we're going to move on to DAVIDsTEA. This one, we have day number 1 is Merry Mistletoe, which is apple pieces, raisins, hibiscus, natural flavoring, cranberries, cloves, cinnamon, mistletoe, and white tea. Now at Tea Rev, also known as YawnBrew, we have Black Forest, which is a black tea, pomegranate, cherry stems, moringa, cocoa beans, cranberry, cornflower and safflower petals, and natural flavors. So here's another look at the Merry Mistletoe from DAVIDsTEA. I used 1 scoop and there's still a lot of tea left in the container. And we're just gonna steep it up here. I believe I steeped this for 5 minutes. It did have kind of a tart, fruity taste to it. There was a natural sweetness, which I did like. I think next I'm gonna try this iced, but it was a very good tea nonetheless. And here's a closer look at it, steeping up, and it did steep up to a really nice red color. So that's it for day number 1, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.